Today we're getting a new bathroom set installed. This is a new toilet and it's a great one. This is the brand, and later I will show you the completed installation of this toilet. So it has low water consumption and soft close features. It's easy to install. It's high performance and it's easy to clean. I think that this is, the color is teal or green. It's a very nice toilet. We will also have a water heater installed in the bathroom and a shower, a new shower. This is our home. And we let our chicken, ducks, and turkeys free range in the morning. They can freely walk around and pick for insects and eat grass and get their exercise. See, even the chicken goes on the road, but the chicken knows where home is, but they are allowed to free range. There are many flowers on the terrace. And also around the terrace. Nope, stay there, doggy. Dog always tries to get into the house. You can see the different kinds of flowers that are planted around the house. I see most of the chickens free ranging. And there's one right there, and there's a mother and her chick back there. She's looking for insects. And this is our beautiful banana trees. We have many, as you can see. The bananas are coming in. And we also have a dragon fruit tree I will show you another time.